Hello, my name's Mr. Taylor and I'm in grade 4 at AGS this year. This personal goal, the lesson that we'll be doing today, is on inquiry. Now, what does inquiry mean? Do you know? Whenever I want to find what a word looks like, I use my big teacher's dictionary. Enquiry. To question. To seek answers. I like that. To seek, to look for answers. To ask questions. It's not just asking questions. That's easy. But it's about looking for the answers. Asking the question, finding the answers. That's what this personal goal, inquiry, is all about. The question that I've got today is who has got the best toy car in year 3, 4 and 5 at AGS? Who has got the best toy car? Now, to seek that answer, we're going to do an investigation. Inquiries usually have investigations. And what we're going to need, what you're going to need in a minute, I'm going to show you how to set it up. And then you're going to do it yourself. You need a book or a placemat. Now this is A4. This is printing paper. Kind of paper that you get in your printer, and that's how big this book is, and it's a hard book, okay, because that's going to be the ramp that the car goes down. The best car will be the one that travels the furthest. Okay, so we're going to use a book or a placemat. It's what you eat your dinner off. And these are both A4 in size. We've got to keep it the same size. Your ramp has to be the same size as my ramp, or we won't know if your car is really better than my car. Okay, so we've got to keep those two things the same. So here's my ramp, and I'm actually going to put it on my big dictionary. You could use something else. I could use this little foam yoga block that I've got lying around that I've stopped using. Now, how high are we going to put the ramp? We've all got to have the ramp at the same height. And the height that I've gone for is 10 centimeters. If you slide it further up, it gets higher. If you slide it further down, it gets lower. And I've gone for 10 centimeters. So we're going to have our ramp 10 centimeters. We're going to take our car and we're going to put the back wheels at the back of the ramp. And we're not going to push it, we just have to let it go. And then, however far the car travels, we'll take our, I've got a tape measure, and we're going to measure from the bottom of the ramp, not the top, but the bottom of the ramp, how far the car has travelled, and we're going to measure from the back of the car. There's one more thing we have to all use that's exactly the same, and that's the surface that the cars go down. And to do that, we're all going to use tiles. I'm going to show you now what that looks like. So here is my ramp. 10 centimeters high. I'm resting it on my dictionary. I've got my first car. I'm going to take it at the back of the wheels, and I'm just going to let it go like this. And then I'm going to go over and measure from the back of the car and that travelled 92 centimetres. Now, I've got more than one car at home, so I'm going to test, I'm going to inquire, I'm going to seek the answer, which is the best car in my house. And then I'm going to record that and send it to myself. You need to record how far the car travels in your house and send it in to your teachers. Let's try another one. Wheels at the back and just letting go. How far did that travel? (150 centimetres). We've got to keep everything the same. To seek the true answer, who's got the best car, we have to keep everything the same. The only thing we can change is the car, so we've got to keep that ramp the same. You can go back and check the video at the start to see how big that should have been. We've got to keep the floor the same. We're going to use tiled floors. Don't use carpet, or don't go outside and use the rough ground. Okay, use nice smooth tiled floor. Got one more car left. At the back. I'm not going to tell you how far that one went. I'm going to keep it a secret. Be honest. Be truthful, okay? There's some morality, another one of your personal goals. In answering this question, when we come back to school, I think I might get the best cars in and we can do this again in school, okay? Personal goal, inquiry. Not just asking questions, seeking answers. Who has got the best toy car at AGS in year 3, 4 and 5? Let's find out.